I am feeling great today. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I feel honored to stand here. It feels unbelievable how quickly time has passed. Just a few months ago, we started our journey at Ras English Care, and now today we are standing at the end of our journey. Before 3 months, we could not speak English, but now I stand here. Truly, it's a life changing journey. The mentor behind my success, the Honorable Rahas sir, I discovered him through his video and it's impressed me. But meeting him face to face was even better. After joining his class, his teaching style is amazing. He taught us how to learn English with a big smile, and he also taught us how to memorize every lessons. I want to thank Raj sir for creative such a supportive and inspiring learning environment. And I must mention our favorite teacher Ibrahim sir. To be honest, he is the inspiration of a lot of students because of his dedication and also supportive mind for students. He also support us for guide us to fulfill our dream. At the last, I would like to thank Rahat English Care and our respected teachers and also my classmates for making this journey so meaningful. And at last, I want to say that Rahat English Care is the best institute for learning English. And thank you everyone for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum.